My name is Chris Parker. I am a sound engineer and production manager for live events and touring, and I did the bachelor's in music technology and then the master's in audio engineering at the University of Hertfordshire. I would always speak to sound engineers after gigs, go up to the sound desk and be like, mate, your mix sounded amazing tonight, the snare, core, what a great sound. And then I met a guy called Matt Walsh at a gig at Coco in Camden. And I was like, I want to be a sound engineer, how do I do it? And he said, do a master's and then get in touch with all your local production companies. And I did both those things, and it was totally the right advice. So I chose Herts for my postgraduate studies because I already had an existing network there. You're near London, where all the action is, as everyone will tell you. It gave me that flexibility as well, the University of Hertfordshire, to go out and work and do those things at the same time as my studies. So I'd be in a tour van or at the side of a stage at a festival with a stack of books, and that was fine. My lecturers were all super cool with that. They were quite flexible. The assignments in the course, they weren't just, you have to do this with this piece of kit. It was, okay, we're doing something about cutting edge where you've got to learn the newest technology, choose something you want to learn about and write back to me with a report on it. The chance to pick what I wanted to do for my particular industry path was great. There was an assignment where we had to interview someone in our industry, and that was a perfect excuse to just hit up these like tour managers, sound engineers, like radio coordinators. So I say professionally for me, the things I've been most proud of have been the shows where I've tour managed or production managed them. So there's been Lucy Spraggan at Manchester Academy, the Amazons at Brixton Academy, and there's that kind of sense of, I've put this together. There's like 5,000 screaming fans out there, and they wouldn't be here if it wasn't in some part my logistics and getting the sound to them or getting the people there. And you know, there's this sense of pride. Like I've got definitely welled up and been quite emotional before that I'm doing this. You know, use the course to your advantage and direct it to things you want to do. Use it as an excuse to go out and meet people and use the equipment and get into places. Work really, really hard consistently and cast your net as wide as possible with regards to meeting people and just being up for everything and keen, and set yourself goals and push yourself, make yourself uncomfortable. Go out there and just, you know, live a bit.